Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel EXP19 Access Chapter 4 Cap Foodies Form and Report. So project description is you will create form so that the user of the database can enter the and added supplier of a products to your business easily. You create an attractive report that groups the product that you purchase by their supplier and then export to the PDF format. Easy distribution. Finally, you create the navigation form so that database user can switch to between major object in the database readily. So we move to the main project step. Total step is 18. So question number one, step number one is start access, open download access file name exp19 access chapter 4 cap foodies. Editor has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name and save the file to the location where you are storing your files. So go to the access file. I have already downloaded the access file. Next is step number 2. So question number 2 is you will create form to manage the data in the supplier table. Use the form tool to create the form and then modify the form are required. You will also remove the layout control from the form so that the control can be repositioned freely and select the supplier table as the record source for a form. Use the form tool to create a new form with the default layouts. So select the supplier table, category products and click the supplier table. As the record source for a form, use the form tool, create a new form with the default layout. Select the supplier table and as the record sources for a form, use the forms tool to create the new form with the layout. Form tool and create the new form. So go to the create tabs and go to the form groups and click the form. So create the form, create the new form, the default layout. So question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is change the form title, enter added suppliers and change the width of the text box control to the approximately 3.4. Change the from the title, enter added supplier. So copy the title and paste the title. Go to the access file and select the supplier, double click and paste the title is enter added supplier is chart title. Next is change the width of text box that control the approximately 3.4 in. So change the width and go to the tool groups, click the prompt sheets and with this and with this 3.4 and press enter. So question number 3 is a complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is delete the product subform control from the form and view the form and the delete data in the form view. Sort the record by the company name is the ascending order. Delete the product is the sum form So go to the access file and delete the subform control from the form. So press the delete button and delete the subform. View the form and the data form view. View the form and the data in the form view. So go to the format layout tabs and go to the view groups and click the form forum view. View the form and the data in the form view. Click the form view and sort the record by the company name in the seeding order. Sort the record by the company name in the descending order. So select the company name and sort the record company name in the ascending order. Go to the home tabs and click the sort and filter group and click the ascending order. So question number 4 is the complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is, in the layout view, set the background color of the company name text box to a bluish and one lighter 80% and set the font size to 14. Save the form, edit supplier and close the form. In the layout view, set the background color to the company name text box blue accent one lighter 80% and set the font size of the 40%. So go to the layout view tabs and background color of the company name text box. So select the company name text box and blue Asian one lighter 80%. So blue Asian one lighter 80%. Click the shape fill. Blue accent fill lighter 80% is the, so change the shape fill color. So change the text box fill background color is blue accent one lighter 80%. Go to the form layout view and go to the control formatting and click the shape formats. So change the blue accent one lighter 80%. 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 Click OK. So change the background color and set the font size to the 40. Font size to the 40. So go to the font group and click the font size to the 40. Next is save the form, edit supplier and close the form. So copy the table name, is the same from the folder. So go to the supplier and right click the save and paste the name is edit supplier and click OK and close the form. Right click save and close the form. So question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, open the added supplier form in the design view and select all control data section of the form and then remove the layout and then detail and then remove the layout and view the form is layout view. If the necessary arrange field on the form below the supplier ID, company name, contacts address and city, and then ensure the left edge text box line and delete the contact contact title label from the and move the text box to the up and the right contact name to their top edges or align. Open the added supplier form in the design view. Added supplier form in the design view. So right click and go to the design view. Open the added form design view and select all contact data from all, then remove the layout. So select the all control in the details section of the form and then remove the layout. So select the table, select the all and select the all control in the details section from the and then remove the layout and then remove the layout. So go to the arrange tabs and go to the table groups and click the remove a layout. And next is view the form in the layout. View the form in the layout view. If necessary, arrange the field from the form and below in other the following order: supplier ID fields and company name, contact title, address, city and region, and view the forum view in the layout view. So go to the forum view to move the layout and view the forum to layout view. Forum to the layout view. And next is if a necessary, arrange the field on the forum one below the supplier ID, company name, contact title, address, city, region, and postal code, country, phone, and fax. Select the view to the supplier ID, postal code, country, and phone, fax, and MCY role. Supplier ID, company name, and contact. Supplier ID, company name, and contact title, and address city. Address city, and postal code, country, phone, and contact. And ensure the left edge of the label and then text box align. Ensure that the left edges of the label and then text box align. Move and drag the table and left align. So go to the left align. and select the table and move the left line. And move the left line. Move and drag the left line, the table, in the form layer view. And next is delete the contact title. Delete the contact title labels. Contact title label. Delete the contact title labels and then move the text box up and then write contact name to their top edges lines. So select the sales manager table text box and up to the move to the up text box and write a line and write a line. So move and drag the text box. So question number 6 is a complete, and we can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is delete the delete the country label from the form and move the text box up and to the right of the postal code and so that their top edge are aligned, and move the phone and fax label and the text box up to below postal code and so that the close the white space, keeping the spacing close the rest of the control. So delete the country labels. So select the country, delete the country label and form of the form and move the text box to the right of the postal code. So the text box of the right of the postal code. Move and drag the text box to the postal code in the right side in the postal code. Next is postal code and their top edges are aligned, and move the phone and fax label and text box up the below postal code and then close the white space. Move the phone and fax label. The phone and fax label. So select the phone and fax label and text box. Move and drag the upper side below the postal code. Below the postal code so that close the white space, keeping the spacing and close the record. So question number 7 is a complete, and we can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is View from the print preview and set the orientation to landscape and switch to the farm view and save and close the farm. View the farm in the print preview and set the orientation to the landscapes. So view the farm of print preview, go to the file tabs and go to the prints and click the print preview and print preview and set the orientation to the landscape. And the orientation, go to the page layout tabs and click the landscape. And next is switch to the farm view and then save and close the farm. Switch to the farm view. So right clicks and click the farm view and then save and close the farm. So right clicks and click the save and close the farm. So question number 8 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. I will guarantee you 90 or 95 plus grades your assignments and exam.